Dear students, we are talking about chapter 2 acids, base and salt. Last class we discussed more about the family of salts. Then we discussed the nature of salt, whether it is acidic, basic, neutral, etc. Today we are going to talk more about salts. In this topic, we are going to deal with the preparation, properties, uses of various salts. In this chapter, we are dealing with sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, baking soda, baking powder, washing soda, and plaster of Paris. We are going to see how these salts are prepared, what are the important properties of it, and important uses. Before going to it, we will just go through the list of acids and bases, which are strong, which are weak. First of all, we can see list of bases. There are some bases which are strong and some are weak. Few examples for strong bases: NaOH, KOH, calcium hydroxide. Weak bases: magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. List of acids. Strong acids: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 nitric acid. Weak acids: H3PO4 phosphoric acid, H2CO3 carbonic acid, then organic acids like formic acid, acetic acid, etc. In this chapter, we are dealing mainly some chemicals which is derived from common salt. So first of all, we can move to common salt. Do you know what is this common salt? I know that all of you may used it or you are using it in your day-to-day life. The chemical name of this common salt is sodium chloride. Chemical name is sodium chloride and the chemical formula is NaCl. This is the salt which we are commonly using in our food items. We know that we are not able to use any food without salt. It is giving the taste for our food. So it is very important in our life. Seawater contains many salts and this salt is one among it. It is separated from seawater. In some areas, it is present in the form of a large crystal which is brown in color due to the presence of impurities, and it is known as rock salt. Now second one is sodium hydroxide. The chemical formula is NaOH and the chemical name is sodium hydroxide. The common name of the sodium hydroxide is caustic soda. How we can prepare the sodium hydroxide? It is prepared by the process called chloralkali process. When electricity is passed through aqueous solution of NaCl or brine solution or seawater, it decomposes to form NaOH or sodium hydroxide. Equation can be written in this form: 2NaCl plus 2H2O in presence of electricity gives 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. I told you this reaction is occurring in presence of electricity. That means we are doing this in an electrolytic cell. What is the specialty of electrolytic cell? Electrolytic cell is contain two electrodes. One is anode and the other one is cathode. Anode is positively charged and cathode is negatively charged. When electricity passes, some of the components will get deposited in anode and some of the components will be deposited in cathode. We will be able to collect it. So during this process, that is electrolytic process of brine solution, chlorine Cl2 gas will be deposited in anode. Hydrogen gas will be collected in cathode. We are able to see that NaOH will be collected very near to the cathode. This process is called chlor-alkali process. Do you know why it is called chlor-alkali process? The reason is that during this process, chlorine Cl2 is produced as one of the product. Also, alkali is also produced as one of the product. Now, uses of the important products formed during this process. First one, hydrogen. We know that hydrogen is an important fuel. It is used as a fuel and it is considered as the good fuel which is used in rockets. It is not having any polluting byproducts. This hydrogen is also used in the preparation of ammonia, which is used as fertilizer. Next one is chlorine. Chlorine is used for the water treatment. Chlorination is done in order to kill the germs. It is also used in making PVC pipe, polyvinyl chloride. It is the full form of PVC. The pipe which is commonly used in our houses for water circulation. It is also used to form Cfse, chlorofluorocarbon, which is used in refrigerators, AC, etc. It is used in the preparation of pesticides, disinfectant, etc. Next, NaOH. NaOH is one of the important component in soap and detergent industry. It is used for making soaps and detergents. It is used in paper making. It is used in artificial fibers, making of artificial fibers. It is used as a degreasing for degreasing metals. Now, hydrogen and chlorine when combined, it will form HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is used in the preparation of ammonium chloride. Chlorine and NaOH when combined, it results in the formation of a bleach, which is used for household bleaches and bleaching fabrics. It is used for bleaching cotton, linen, etc. So each and every product is important and the combination of product is also important. So chlor-alkali process is a very important process.